Hey, good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 187.
MathIdeas number 187. Today we're going to learn about powers of 2. Have you ever heard of the word powers before?
Yeah.
Yeah? 2 squared, 2 cubed, 2 to the 4th. Now because of this, we usually write 2, just plain old 2. We can sometimes write it as 2 to the 1, 2 to the first power. Have you ever heard about that before? You have? Okay, awesome. Well, what is 2 to the first power?
It's 1. No, it's 2.
It's just 2. Usually we just write 2 to the first power as 2 without writing the first power. But you can write the first power if you want. 2 squared just means 2 times 2.
Which is 4.
Which is 4. Very good. 2 cubed just means 2 times 2 times 2, which is
8.
8. Whoa, good job. 2 to the 4th means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is
16.
16. Holy moly. 2 to the 5th. What do you think 2 to the 5th means?
That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
How many times is?
5.
5. Very good. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What do you think that is?
That is 32.
32. Awesome job. Now, I'm going to teach you something pretty neat. When we go forwards, we just multiply by 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When we go backwards, we just divide by 2. So when we go from 2 to the 5th to 2 to the 4th, we just take 32 divided by 2 and we get
16.
And then when we go from 2 to the 4th to 2 cubed, we just take 16 divided by 2 and we get
8.
8. When we go from 2 cubed to 2 squared, we just do 8 divided by 2 and we get
4.
We go from 2 squared to 2 to the first power, we just take 4 divided by 2 and we get
2.
Oh, well, I wonder what happens if we go from 2 to the first to 2 to the 0. We would just take 2 and divide by 2.
Which is 1.
1. Hey, that's pretty interesting. So we're going to say 2 to the 0 equals 1. Whoa. Maybe tomorrow we'll keep going backwards and see what happens and figure out what 2 to the minus 1 power is. Make scary face. Whoa, 2 to the minus 1. Whoa. But today we're just going to talk about this. Well, we want to do one more. Do you want to figure out what 2 to the 6th is?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It was 64.
Okay. It's 6 2's all times each other. Let's see if I got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 64. Okay, so now these powers actually have pretty interesting properties. 2 to the 0 is just 1. 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 1 is just 3. 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 squared. What's 2 squared?
2 squared is 4.
So what's 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 squared equal?
2 to the 0 plus 2.
Just going to make sure we're on the screen here. So 1 plus 3 plus 4.
1 plus 8.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at this, but I said the wrong thing. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is?
8.
No.
No.
1 plus 2 is?
2 is 3.
Plus 4 is?
Plus
3 plus 4 is?
7.
7. 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 cubed. 1 plus 2 plus 4
Plus 8.
plus 8. So that's going to be 7 plus 8, which is?
15.
15. You see an interesting pattern here? 1, 3, 7, 15. You see how that relates to anything over here? What number over here is close to 15?
16.
What number over here is close to 7?
8.
What number over here is close to 3?
4.
What number over here is close to 1?
2.
Well, and 1. But this is interesting. When you add up powers of 2, starting at 2 to the 0, you get 1 less than another power of 2. Powers of 2 have pretty interesting properties. Yeah. Did you know about that? All right, let's do one more thing. Let's figure out 2 to the 7th as a super challenge. You want to write that out for me? Write out your 7 2's.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What do you think that equals? Whoa! Your equal sign. 128. How'd you know that?
I know more than that.
You do? What's next?
256, then 512, then 1024, then 2042.
2048, actually.
Yeah. And then it's 4084.
4096.
96.
Oh, that's pretty good though, sweetie. How do you know about all those powers of 2? Did you read it in a book?
No, I calculated them.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good for you. Good job. Alright, well that was a fun video about powers of 2, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.